দেশি মদ আমাদের কত উপকারী আমরা তো জানতাম না, খালি বানানোই দেখেছি। তা এই এনার কাছে প্রথম গিয়ে জানলাম যে দেশি মদের কত উপকারিতা হতে পারে। ফেনি, কাজু বাদাম দিয়ে বানানো হয় যে দেশীয় মদ ফেনি, তার উপকারিতা বিবরণ দেবেন এই দাদা, শুনে নিন।
Okay, why after the spice tour? If I give it before, you all give it my time. So that is the reason after the spice tour, one small shot, just to taste. Okay, like especially in Goa, in the month of February, there is a season of cashew nuts in Goa. Okay, we
কত
call this
উপকারিতা
upper part the
জানতামই
cashew
না।
fruit or the cashew apple. This part is the cashew nut. When this fruit ripe, this is turn into like red
দেখতে
color,
ভালো তো তাই
orange color,
দেখতাম।
to yellow color. Okay, after that we do just separate the fruit and the nut. So
জানি
the
না এত
outer shell of
উপকারিতা
this
যে
nuts are like very
এতে
hard.
আছে,
We cannot
দেশি
open them
কাজু
beforehand.
ফেনি।
Just collect all the nuts, send it to the factory. They do the different types of roasting in the factory, and they
Wow.
send it to the market for the sale. So the upper part remains, right? The cashew fruit, and like cashew fruits are like
সব
very
বিদেশিনীরা
juicy.
শুনছে,
So press it like this, juice
চিনি
comes
গো
out.
চিনি,
Like we just collect all the fruits, we keep it in one
Oh,
place,
বিদেশিনী।
and this is like the small tradition of the Goa. Some of them they
আমি
wear the
চিনি
fruits and
গো
all,
চিনি
just dance.
তোমারে।
Same like a wine process.
Oh,
Okay?
বিদেশি
After dancing on this fruit, just collect all the
শুনছো
fruits,
ফেনির
put like a
কাহিনী।
bucket or in the barrel, and we keep it
কাজু
for
বাদামের
fermentation
ফেনি।
for like 7 to 8 days.
খুব
Once the juice is fermented,
দামি জিনিস।
this is the proper pot. Okay, just put all those juice in this types of pot, and here you all can see there are like
কাজু
small
বাদামের
gaps, right?
দেশি
To
মধ্যে
seal
প্রচুর
this gap,
উপকারিতা।
we take a mud, we make clay out of it, and we just seal this
যারা
part.
জানে না
After
তারা
sealing this
প্লিজ
part, what we do?
ভিডিওটা
We put
লাইক
fire wire.
দিয়ে
When we
একটু
fire wire, what happens?
চ্যানেলটা সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নেবেন।
And the you of pressure.
থ্যাঙ্কস ফর
So
ওয়াচিং।
the hot stream will come from here, drop by drop will come from here.
এরকম
and we
আরো
put cold
ইনফরমেটিভ ভিডিওর
water.
জন্য
When it reaches over here, we put on the cold water, we turn
লাইক এন্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব। থ্যাংক ইউ, থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং।
First distill which we get is known as Hurrak. Do you know what is Hurrak? Anyone? Hurrak is like Goa's jungle juice, or we call it as a seasonal drink. It contains like 17 to 18% alcohol in it, okay? And the shelf life of the Hurrak is of like 3 months. Within 3 months, you must drink it, otherwise slowly it will get spoiled, okay? Second distill which we are going to make is known as cashew pani. So definitely you all have come for the visit, right? In the Goa. If anyone offers you or the like Hurrak cocktail or the mocktail, never buy it because it is already expired. If you all want to try the jungle juice, the like jungle juice of the Goa, you will have to come only in the month of February to May. Only in the season time you get the jungle juice, okay? Second distill which we are going to make is known as cashew pani. What we will do, we will take 50% of the Hurrak which I removed now. We will take 50% of this juice which I removed earlier. Again we will mix it 50% and again we will keep it for the fermentation for like 3 to 4 days. Again same process, we will do in this pot, we will seal this pot, we will put fire over there, drop water will come. Second distill which we get is known as cashew feni. In feni there is like 40 to 40% alcohol in it, and like especially in Goa we drink cashew feni as a medicinal drink. If you have like cold, cough, throat infections and all, we don't go to a doctor. What we do, we just take like 30 to 40 ml of feni. Like for the small children, we can't give like more amount of alcohol to them, right? Just add some sugar in it and just burn it. So when you burn it, what happens? The alcohol percentage burns and comes down. Just close the fire and just knock it down in one go. Okay, very good for cold, cough. And to extract the feni, it's only legal in Goa. Like even in other states of India, they have the cashew trees over there, right? They cannot extract the feni. It's illegal. It's only legal in Goa because this is a like small gift from the Portuguese place. So that is the reason it's only legal in Goa to extract the feni. So I'm off.
না না আচ্ছা না এটা ফিনালের বন্ধু
আরে ওটা মসকিউটো জন্য দিয়েছি।
तो ये आप
भाई,
पहचान सकते हैं क्या है?
এখানে মদ তৈরি হয়, মদ কাজুর থেকে মদ লোকাল।